What is the relationship between stratospheric aerosols and climate change? Have you ever wondered how tiny particles high up in the atmosphere can impact our planet's climate? Stratospheric aerosols are those very particles found in the stratosphere, which is the layer of the Earth's atmosphere that stretches from about 10 to 50 kilometers above the surface. These aerosols play a significant role in influencing climate by reflecting sunlight back into space. This reflection can lead to a cooling effect on the Earth's surface, which is particularly noticeable after volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, it releases large amounts of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. This sulfur dioxide then reacts with water vapor to create sulfate aerosols. These sulfate aerosols scatter sunlight, which can lower global temperatures. This natural process has been observed throughout history and serves as a reminder of how interconnected our atmosphere and climate are. From a political perspective, understanding the relationship between stratospheric aerosols and climate change is becoming increasingly important. Politicians are looking into climate engineering techniques, one of which is stratospheric aerosol injection. This method involves intentionally injecting aerosols into the stratosphere to mimic the cooling effects of volcanic eruptions. The idea is to combat global warming by artificially creating a similar effect to what nature does during a volcanic event. However, the use of stratospheric aerosol injection is not without its challenges. There are concerns about unintended consequences, such as stratospheric heating, which could have adverse effects on the ozone layer. Additionally, altering precipitation patterns could lead to changes in whether that might affect agriculture and water supply. The effects of aerosol injection can vary greatly depending on where and how much is injected, making it a complex issue for policymakers. In practical terms, politicians must also think about the governance and economic implications of implementing stratospheric aerosol injection. This includes addressing ethical questions about fairness and equity. There is a risk that focusing on such interventions could distract from the more pressing need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are the root cause of climate change. While stratospheric aerosols present a potential tool for managing climate change, their use must be carefully considered. The risks involved and the necessity for ongoing reductions in greenhouse gas emissions are critical points that cannot be overlooked. Balancing these factors is essential for creating effective climate policies that truly address the challenges we face.